Good morning, everybody. So it is nighttime right now, and I'm getting ready because today is a big day. Now I'm just gonna do a few stuff. I'm probably gonna clean the house. One. So guys, I finished cleaning, so now it is freezing outside. I really miss Andrea. I wonder if she misses Piper, because that's her daughter. I think I'm just gonna watch. Guys, I have no idea what to do Guys, I have no idea what to do in the next video, so please, if you could, that would be really helpful. If you could comment down below what I should do in my next video. So yeah, you don't have to, but it would be really, really, really helpful to get your opinion. And I can probably like do one of yours in each, like one of your ideas in like each, like if there's like 10 comments, that's gonna be 10 videos. Okay, so I'm going to use everybody's idea, even if it's like 18 like 1,000 comments, 18,000 videos right there. So yeah. It is officially morning. Feels like I'm a mom. A real mom. Okay, now I'm just gonna like start turning on lights and opening blinds. Because like, we need the light. And now I'm going to, now I'm gonna grab Piper. You've never really seen her without the sleeping bag because like it's freezing, man. Like freezing. Now I'm just gonna like get her favorite food, baby food, and I think I'm just gonna like get eggs for myself. So I'm gonna warm up the pan, and now gonna get some from here. Now the eggs, I'm only gonna cook like 2 or 3 is good. I'm hungry. And also I have to do a video today because like I'm a YouTuber. I really wish we had a dishwasher. Oh. Here, I can wash your dish. Okay, now I have to eat. That was really good. I should make more eggs tomorrow. Okay, I finished doing the dishes. I have to like go and like I have to go somewhere. Okay, let's go. So I've decided to go to this restaurant. Hi, how are you? Good, how are you? Oh, hi, Katie. Oh, George, I remember you. You were with Elizabeth and Jeremy. Well, I wasn't with, you weren't with them. You were just like, they were there. Yeah, come in, come in. It's nice seeing you again. Would you like to take a seat? Yes, please. Can you, all of this is free. Are you sure? Thank you. Yummy. Thank you, bye. Bye. And that was the end of my daily routine. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. Bye.